Hello and welcome to Moving Violations. This is Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. Check out how far back this box is set. What's that, an inch? Almost inch and a half, right? Double, it looks like double 5/8 sheetrock there. Now, some people might say this is a class 2 circuit. You see that low voltage wire there. And some people might say, well, since it's a class 2 circuit, you don't even need a box. My interpretation is that since there is a box installed here, that the box must comply with 314.20, which does allow the box to be set back slightly, but not more than 1/4 of an inch from the finished surface if the surface is tile or gypsum like this or other non-combustible material. But this box is set way too far back.